Republican Party it doesn't know it yet, but it is Trump's party. For example, the way to look at this, Mark, let me ask you this pregunta. Little Spanish lingo, because you live in Houston, you'll understand that. After Trump leaves office in 2024, who will the next president be? Will it be somebody from the Jeb Stuart, Mitt Romney mold, or will it be somebody trying to carry on the traditions of Donald Trump?
I'm sorry, but Mitt Romney is a has-been.
Mitt Romney doesn't know it. Mitt Romney thinks his future is being anti-Trump. And how many of these Republicans campaigning for the Senate do you think are going to believe the same thing? That the way to get elected, particularly if Trump's in the middle of being impeached next year...
Oh, no, forget about impeachment. I'm sorry. You know, Donald Trump is not self-serving. If he wanted to be self-serving, he'd stay in the private sector. He'd make more money than anybody.
Amen to that. Amen to that. He didn't need to do any of this.
He didn't need to. He's self-serving in the private sector. And so we all need to get that. The 60-plus million that voted for him are now saying, you know what? I know Trump's trying to do the best thing for this country, and he's not trying to scam and steal and rob and thief. We got that. So from here on out, I'm just going to trust my instincts as well. And I'm going to go with anybody who's going to help him get to his goals.
All right,
and you're going to see.
I understand you think you think that Republicans have the same common sense that you have, that they can see the great things that Trump's done for the country. And by the way, I have somewhere in the stack here, there's actually a story on, it's the American Spectator. There's a great column in the American Spectator about this very, very thing. All of the magical, wonderful things Trump has done during his presidency. Let me find this baby. Yeah. Here it is by David Catrone, or Catron, or whatever. Look, Mark, thanks for the call. I'm gonna use your call here as the transition, little inside baseball lingo, into this piece. Now, I'm not gonna have time to read the whole thing to you here, but what Trump has done economically, policy-wise, is exactly what he was elected to do. And the people that voted for him are not disappointed. They're not unhappy. They are ticked off. They are seething with rage and anger. And there are more of them now than even those who voted for him. We've seen the polling numbers in states that Trump won narrowly, like Wisconsin. His approval is up and support for impeachment is down.